Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is pronoun and modifier. Look at sentence, it says every building within 20 miles radius of the downtown business district had an interruption in their electric service during the ice storm. Alright, so what is subject here for had? It is every building. So every building had an interruption in their electric service. So pronoun there is for what? For every building. You know that every, each, either and neither considered singular, that's why we need singular pronoun. So there is plural pronoun and this is the reason this is incorrect. It should be its electric service. Option A out, option C out. Left with option B, D, E. Had its electric service interrupted during the ice storm? Fine. How about option D? That interrupted the electric service. What is mean of here? It's that is again conjunction. And this conjunction is for what? For business district. It's been what? Now the sentence is business district that interrupted the electric service, right? It's not a building and building is not in that picture, so it is changing meaning. So modifier that is incorrectly modifying business district. So option D out. Option E has same problem. Why? Because it says district that had its electric service interrupted. So there's no pronoun error, but business district had its electric service interrupted. No, actually it is talk about every building had an interruption in their electric service during the ice storm. So pronoun that is incorrectly modifying business district and that's why it is incorrect. Option B becomes best option.